In this video, I'll show you how to activate two analogs for God of War Ghost of Sparta PPSSPP to help make evading easier, just as you can see right now. Now simply open your PPSSPP emulator, go to your settings and then go to your controls section. Now once you are in here, click on edit touch control layout. So once you click on this, the next thing you have to do is click on customize. Then you are going to see right analog stick below. So simply click on it to customize it. So once you click on this section, the first thing you need to do is to click on visible, and then the second thing you need to do is to click on use custom right analog. So once you click both of them, it's going to be fully activated. Now you have to make, or rather input some commands in here. So you can see this right AN up and then this right AN down and left and right. Make sure that every one of them, these first four, are going to be having arrow. So simply select arrow for the first four. Then you see this one below that says keep this button pressed when right analog is pressed. Set this one to L. Now this is exactly what you need to do. So just make sure that yours is looking exactly like mine. The first four is going to be arrow and then the last one is going to be L. Once you've done this, simply click on back, then click on back again. Now you have to make adjustments because you can see that the right analog is hidden. So let's make some adjustments. So simply bring out the right analog. So you can keep it here a little bit close to the left analog. So that's just it. Now once you are playing God of War, you see that you'll be able to use this right analog to evade. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to be playing the game right now so you guys can see that it's actually working. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.